Hi all, this is a unboxing video. I have been looking at these for a while on Amazon. I'll link the link below. The brand is Divit Shilp. This is a wooden crochet hook. This is the packaging that comes in. It's a very nice box. They have different kinds of wooden crochet hooks. I think this is rosewood and this was mixed wood, but this is the one that I got. It's the Teak. It's a Streamline ergonomic handle crochet hooks. 7-inch teak wood, crochet hook knitting needle. The reason why they say knitting needle is I think that in Turkish and other languages they have a interchangeable word for crochet and knitting, so they use both, and they mean the same thing. The word means the same thing. So when they translate it to English, they often use crochet and knitting interchangeable. Anyway, it's just a little language lesson there for you, in case you were wondering why some people call these hooks knitting needles. That's why, because some languages only have one word for both. So this is a 6.5 millimeter, and I'm really excited because I can't afford a furls right now. Oh, look, it has a little thing in there. It says comfort with a heart, and then it says happy crochet. So I like their box. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, it's indented, like wood burned, and it's a K hook, 6.5 millimeter. It's got a little bit of a ridge right here. I don't know if that's to help keep it from sliding, but that's an inline hook. I don't know if you can see that. That means that it is the same, and also inlines tend to be a little deeper in their throat. The throat is deeper. It's a little bit of a point to it, not bad. I'm going to practice using some discontinued Fair Isle Liberty Chunky, and the color is Lagoon. But yeah, this is discontinued stuff that I got in a 3-pack in oh, look at that yarn barf. In a Mary Maxim mystery bag last year, I think. So let's give it a shot. We'll do a slip stitch, and I'm used to using a like a boy type crochet hook. I'm not used to inline at all. It's really smooth. I'm used to using a 5.5 on like a worsted weight number 4 right here. This is my, you can see it's a completely different type of hook. It sticks out a little bit and it's a little more shallow. This is a tulip Atimo red, and I put some foam on it that's intended for people who were, have mobility issues with like brushing their teeth or eating with utensils. That's what these foam grips are for. And I can link that below if you were interested in doing this with your hooks that you have existing. It really does help with the fatigue. But anyway, this is what I'm used to using. So I was hoping that something like this would make it just as comfortable. And it does feel good. I'll have to sit here and crochet for a while and see what happens with my hands. But this isn't a yarn review, so I'm not really as interested in what this yarn is doing, but it does feel you know, like it's going through it smoothly. It's not catching. I don't feel any. I've worked with bamboo, Tunisian bamboo hooks before, and they were just terrible because the edges were all rough. These are not. These are, I mean, completely smooth. This is worth every penny. I'm really happy. I might get a couple more of these, and hopefully this shape will help keep my hand from hurting. And I might be able to crochet without the foam grip. We'll see. We'll see how this does. But for now, I really like the hook, and if you like this shape, and you've been wanting to try, because everybody's kind of gung-ho on the furls, but they're kind of expensive, try the Divit Shilp brand. It's on Amazon. I'll link it, and I'll link it below, and find out if maybe with a lower price point, but a similar shape, like the Streamline furls, you might find out that this doesn't work for you, and you're only out, $11. At the time when I bought it, it was around that price. So I think it's worth giving it a shot, especially if it makes your hands feel better and you can crochet longer. I hope that you enjoyed this review for the hook, and I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.